The real challenge in manufacturing is controlling the bond surface composition so that it's exactly the same time after time, right? And that's hard to do because bond surfaces are extremely delicate. They have properties that are very prone to change, okay? A bond surface, it's only a few molecular layers thick. And contrast that with a fingerprint that can be thousands of molecular layers thick. And it turns out that the cause of almost all failures in well-designed bonded structures is a lack of control of the surface preparation. And this is because they're typically manual processes that are performed by technicians or mechanics that may really, at the fundamental level, not be trained appropriately, right? Or they may be performed by automated processes, but these may be processes that are designed and controlled by engineers that may lack an appreciation for interface-sensitive processes. And that's what we're trying to do with webinars like this, is kind of raise the consciousness level for you folks in manufacturing, right? Try to raise the consciousness level about the sensitivity of the properties of bonded structures to things we can't see. And we need to bring in new measurement approaches and new philosophies to be able to control these processes. If we're going to use adhesive bonding in critical applications, we have to put bond process control over here on the right. We got to put it on a firm scientific basis. We got to put it on the same basis that we see the adhesive manufacturers manufacturing the adhesives on. And typically it's not done at this point in time.